everyone. My name is Tanvi. I'm honored to participate in Bloomcap's Great India Talent. Today I'm going to recite a self-composed poem on my father, my hero. Dad, you are my hero in so many ways. You're always standing strong, whatever may be the phase. You have the warmth of summer sun, the faith of mustard seed, the patience of eternity, the depth of a family need. You have always been guiding me through the pros and cons of life, working for our future and making it suffice. You have helped me admire the woman I will become. You always had faith in me even when the worst was yet to come. That you are my hero in so many ways. Whenever I'll be lost, it's you to whom I'll confidently gaze. Thank you.